This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Have it all with this gated Palm City property. The highly desirable community of River Landing features a community boat ramp with no fixed bridges for easy ocean access. Gated and secured boat and RV storage area, dock, tennis and playground. This lovely 5-bedroom home, one is currently being used as an office, with 3 full baths. Spacious yard with mature trees creates a private setting overlooking the water. Relax in the hammock or enjoy the pool with lanai and extensive covered sitting area where your party won't be disturbed if the weather changes. The flexible layout of the first floor living area has an open concept living, kitchen dining areas with an inviting flow ready for your guests and family to be comfortable. There are custom reclaimed barnwood features in the living area wall, staircase and kitchen island details. 2 first-floor bedrooms, master on the 2nd floor. Laundry utility room, 2-car garage. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.